What's up, everybody? Back with another video. Join my group. I just made it to become a Pug fan. I'm gonna be giving away, Pug admin, Pug admin for life. This is me, of course. Sweet merch. Oh yeah, bro. That's better. Actually. So just join this group. Okay. Yeah, bro. Just record this. Look, bro, it's so cute, bro. Let me see. So cute. Buy my merch. I bought some merch. We'll get it in 2 days. Bruh. I'm gonna give away Robux, okay? Robux. I'm giving Robux. See, I'm gonna give Robux. For example, my brother. Now, only if I had Robux. I will give Robux. Zero. Okay.
Give me 0.
Eto, say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
No, just don't wave. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Once we hit a lot of subs, 50 subs. I'm doing a face reveal. Oh, I'm sorry. I haven't recorded in a long time. I had a summer break, boy. Okay. I had like so much school. I'm talking about so much school. Like so much school. So I've been grinding, bruh. So I can get Robux. What? And I got OBC for Christmas. BC to OBC. Let's go. I get 60 Robux every day. Hey. I'm gonna do like Robux giveaway. Okay. And I will give people Robux. Okay? If you join my group, I will give anything you want, anything you want. Just Robux. How many Robux? Just buy my merch. Keep buying my merch, and I will give anyone Robux. Okay? I have a good day. Have a happy New Year. Merry Christmas. Hey.